Hi guys, it's Issa. Today is November 6th, and today I took two trades and I made $655 today. And I'm going to go over my trades and let's get started. So I'm not gonna redo all of my charts or my drawings on my chart because I'm just gonna confuse myself. So let's start on the 4 hour time frame, per usual. Don't really see anything. We'll go down to the 1 hour, and then I mark out, I still have this marked out, the 1 hour bullish fair value gap from yesterday. And we're like up here. Wait, we're up here around market open. So let's go down to the 15 minute. And what do I see? What do I see? I think I still see like all the way up here this bearish 15-minute fair value gap. We have multiple rejections off here and we didn't inverse it or fulfill it all the way. So I have that marked out all the way here just in case price wants to go all the way up there. But I see that we're rejecting off this level here, but I don't see anything to see what it is on the 15-minute yet. So I go down to the 5 minute and I try to find it. Here's the beginning. And we do have a bearish 5 minute, or fair value gap. So we reject off here and then we sell down. And then before market open around here, oh, I guess we were all the way over here. But we go up and like we kind of test it again, not really because we didn't even tap into it. But um it looked like we had all this liquidity before then, but we were selling off pretty fast. And I was like in the middle of doing my analysis before market open. And when market did open, we were here and I drew out just these still on the 5 minute. This smaller one here is a continuation bullish 5 minute, and then this one is an IFVG on the 5 minute because it inverses here. So it's bearish here, goes down, and then inverses it up here. And then we're selling off pretty fast at market open. So I go down to the 1 minute because I'm looking for an entry. Is this where it is? Yep. So we inverse it pretty fast. The regular 5 minute and then the inverse. So I guess you could say it's no longer valid. So I could, well, not really because we did tap into it. Okay. So I'm going to show my entries. My first trade, I got break even just like yesterday. So I'm looking for shorts here because we're selling off pretty fast. And I wanted it to at least test the 1 hour and then go up higher. That's what I imagined just because we had a good sell-off and we were selling since 8:30 this morning. So since we inversed it, I entered off the retest of the IFVG because we had good volume. Let me see where I entered. 651. 651.5. And this is my preset. I think my stops were, I think that looks about right. Right. a little bit above these candles here. And I enter off this candle closure. Yeah, right here. And then we go up, and I was in drawdown a little bit, and I was like, okay, we're testing the IFVG again. And then we had good volume. And then I went break even here because I hit 101. And then I got hit break even here. So that was invalid. And then I saw that we kind of tested it again. And this is exactly what happened yesterday. It tested it again, and then we have good volume, a good push down. And I was like, okay, I want it to, I don't think I had levels. I don't think I had, oh, I guess I had this marked out. I could see more on my iPad, so I think I had this lined out here because I wanted it to break those levels, and that would give me more confirmation that we were going down to test the 1 hour. Okay, so let me do my second entry. It's a little bit further down than my original entry, which is 636.5. No, that's 635. My B, my B. 26. And then my TP was 603. Wait, really? 603.75? Sorry, I'm like kind of lagging. 603.75. Why is my why is my thing so okay. So my original, so this is where I got out, right? So I was risking 500 to make 1,000, but since I entered lower here, we had a good push down, and my original 1 to 2 was this, right? So this is my preset for a 1 to 2. So it's usually 25 points and then 50 points. And then look at this. I'm pretty sure it was like a little bit below, but it literally edged my TP. And then usually I'm like patient enough to wait until it actually does hit my TP, but it literally reverses. So then I get out at 603 because I wasn't about to be greedy. And if I did like hold it and didn't go break even, I would have taken a loss. But if I did go break even, I would have got break even twice in a row, and I wasn't about to do that. So I just took my profits, reading the market, and usually we don't go up and test 3 times, and that's what we did. We test the 5 minute IFVG 3 times, and then we continue selling. And my original bias was to go to the 1 hour, and that's what we did. But I'm very happy that my bias was right because that gives me validation that I know how to trade. So it really is that simple. You don't need a million confluences. This is literally how I trade. So that is it. I am so happy with the results today, and I'm so excited for tomorrow and the next days. Thank you guys so much for listening and watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Love you.